There is a new update on how to use a broken power button like this. Yeah, so what you need is a pair of scissors, a USB cord or cable, yeah, and a cutter knife. So watch. Okay, you cut the cable into pieces. What is it in now? Okay, so it's peeling off the outer layer, and then there are small inner layers, inner wires. How to peel them off with a cutter. Yes, let's watch closely. This will help if you don't have money to go to a technician to repair a power button. This is very affordable. Okay, it's time. Let's watch. Yes, and it's on. So you can use it to on your screen or put off the screen, and also when you want to, and the phone is off, completely off, you can use it to boot the phone.